Hi guys, we are going to do our math homework today and we are in week 4, day 2 in our math packets. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, week 4, day 2. Add, and remember adding is when there's the plus sign, or subtract, and that's minus the minus sign in a problem. And then use counters or 10 frames or draw pictures if you wish. So if you need help, you can draw a picture, use a 10 frame, make a number line, or you can use your fingers to do addition and subtraction. Solve each addition or subtraction problem. So these are our addition and subtraction problems, and usually we write them long ways so they go across our page, but they can also do the same thing going from top to bottom. So these ones are top to bottom. So this reads 4 plus, because that's our plus sign, 1 equals something. So 4 plus 1 equals something. So I would do 4 plus 1 equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write my 5 right here underneath the line. 2 plus 2 equals something. 3 plus 2 equals something. 5 minus 2 equals something. So remember, when we do minus, I'm going to put up 5 fingers, and it says 5 minus 2. So I'm going to take away 2 fingers. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So I'll write the 3 underneath the line right here. 4 minus 3 equals something. 5 minus 4 equals something. So you're going to solve those addition and subtraction problems. And then we're going to analyze some shapes. It says, using the diagram, fill in the blanks with the names of the shapes that make the statement true. So we're going to read our sentence, and then it's going to have these blanks. So we're going to have to fill in which one of these shapes makes sense. So blank has more sides than blank. So you can pick whichever one you want, whichever shape, but it has to be the shape that has the most sides. So this one has 4 sides, this one has 4 sides, this one has 4 sides, 3, 0, and 0. So I can pick the square, and I'm going to write square has more sides than a circle, because 4 is more than 0. Or you could have done the rectangle has more sides than the triangle. Okay, so it just needs to match the sentence, but you can pick which shape you want as long as it says something that's true, that's correct. Blank has the same number of sides as blank. So 3 shapes have the same sides as each other, and 2 shapes have the same sides as each other. So I might say the rhombus has the same number of sides as the square, or the circle has the same number of sides as the oval. And there's some other options you could do with these ones up here, but you're going to write those on the line. And lastly, for this problem, you say blank has more vertices than blank. So remember, that means corners. So you're going to have to count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 4 corners. And then let's look at this triangle. 1, 2, 3. It only has 3 corners. So I could put the rhombus has more vertices than the triangle. You can also do that with other ones. So you can pick and choose. You just need to count the corners and see which one has more. And the last problem for today's homework, it says you need to have a 10 frame and counters, and you can draw a 10 frame on a piece of paper, and this is a game you can play with someone in your family. And players take turns placing 1, 2, or 3 counters on an open square of a 10 frame. Whoever fills up the 10 frame first wins. And it's for 2 players. So you draw a 10 frame on a piece of paper, and then you might not have counters at home, but you could use different things. You could use little Legos or little erasers or even little pieces of cereal, and you can put those in this 10 frame, and you take turns. So I might put 5 pieces in, and then my friend will put 2, and then you have to see who can get to 10 and fill up the 10 frame first. All right, that's it for your homework tonight. I hope everyone has a great night. Bye.